Hi, man. Hi. What? Orlando Pirates have announced the signing of Sebastian Pedersen. So Pirates are signing European players now. We can't compete in this league. Pirates and Sundowns are going toe-to-toe with signings now. European players are joining the Betway Premiership. And what did Pirates see in him that they want this guy? My brother, don't become Haaland 2.0 in the Betway Premiership. Hey, I'm still a little bit confused about the signing. I saw talks about it a day, I think yesterday or sometime, that Pirates are in discussion for this guy. But I was like, it's one of those things, they're just in discussion, nothing fruitful. No, my brother's been signed by Orlando Pirates. Sebastian Pedersen. Hi, my brother. This whole thing makes me uneasy that Pirates are signing European players. It doesn't sit well with me.
I told you not to me feed me for because yegelo kulmamang yegelo fake journalist. Orlando Pirates have finally did it. But first Pirates listen to the fans, to the supporters. Guti sifuna a proper striker. Bamtola. But first to Laleland. I want you guys to understand who ban Lomuntulo. A cousin, your Holland. The greatest striker of the EPL, Buffetu. Cousin wa Holland. Buffet Sebastian has signed with Orlando Pirates. We are back. Bafethu ngiyacela bafethu, ngiyacela Buccaneer, ama-fan, ama-supporters, ngiyacela i-welcome lomfana, ngiyacela. Asithi umlungu wodwa no bafethu. Whenever he score after i-game iphela bafethu, yes, ayishayile into le bayishayile i-welcome. Yeah, sayishaya bafethu. Bafethu, it's official. Pirates just announced simtholile striker bafethu. Lomfana is coming bafethu. I cannot wait bafethu. I cannot wait. Let's season. Start the season.
Reports coming in now from our own Fabrizio Romano. Orlando Pirates exploring option of signing striker Sebastian Pedersen from Norwegian club Sogndal. Guys, we might have a problem. We might emphasis on might, but we might have a problem. We might have a problem. You telling me in big 2026? Big 2026 now we have to defend against Norwegians. But did you watch the World Cup? Did you see that Norwegian monster up there? And why is all of this Norwegian tall, man? Why are all of them so tall? Bruh, you know Hoto and Muremi, or they like to put those boxes in the box. And you know, if Pirates put a policy in that number 10, no one is going to be stopping those passes to this guy. And you know Norwegians, if you watch Borussia last season and you watch the Norwegian national team play, if you put a proper Norwegian striker up top and you put a good number 10 who can pin first touch passes through the lines, break the lines with those window passes, if you have that number 10, you know your striker is going to be scoring at least 20 goals a season. And that's exactly what Borussia did in the Champions League. That's what the Norwegian national team did with Odegaard pinning those passes always to Haaland. But you know a police can make those break line passes. You know a police can play the number 10. And the way a police is so unstoppable on the ball and he's so unselfish, he doesn't like scoring, he likes to pass the ball. And when he knows, now I have someone I can pin those passes to. Bruh, imagine Hoto always. Nah, bruh, we might have a problem here. Nah, I hope this signing drops. I hope they fail to sign this. Nah, guys, you haven't put two, mamas.
Sanibonani bafethu. Hey, yeah, bafethu, this signing from Orlando Pirates, quality. These guys, they needed a striker, to be honest. Ne? But now, issue engnayo da. I remember after i-World Cup iqeda ukuphela, sithi thina, imagine sibuyobukela boHaaland. Now we are going back ukuyobuka boMbuthuma naboMakgopa. Boom boom. I-Pirates yona iyahamba iyosayina uHaaland from team. This guy is actually from Norway. Ya ne. Yini uHaaland lo mjida besingazi. Ya nisicoleleni mabhakaniyasi. Sayibona ku i-team serious. Serious. Hopefully angeke azithola semlomeni kaJunior Khanye lo bhuti. Ngoba azi nje azithola semlomeni kaJunior Khanye nizoba nenkinga serious. But the way ngimbona ngakhona his quality maybe uzograba ma 35 goals. Yabona thina so compete ngoDa Silva iSundowns so compete ngoLeon bese nangalo mjida. Yes,
Orlando Pirates angisasilindi nokuthi silale sivuke before nisigixabeze ngalezi ndaba lezi. Angisafuni ukuthi silale nisixoxele kuseni. Kodwa ke akunankinga. Sanibona, hope unaphila usolwazi igama. I-Orlando Pirates has just announced their newest striking arsenal, Sebastian Pedersen, who's a 27-year-old striker from the Norwegian league. He has played in the Norwegian national team from the under 15 all the way up to the under 21. So he comes into the Orlando Pirates team bringing a lot of tactical advantage as far as development is concerned. He comes in with ama goals of 51 from ama appearances of 117. And I think the signing is a breath of fresh air for me, whom I've always said I think Orlando Pirates needs a striker. I still maintain ayikho team engasidingi striker le ndaba ukuthi nina nkora ngama-winger bingeke vele izisebenze in the long run, especially if you have ambitions to participate in the CAF Champions League. So yeah, Orlando Pirates has just announced the striker on 27, and hopefully he will bring a change in the Orlando Pirates team. Let me know what you think about him. Obviously, we have not seen him. He missed the preseason with the Orlando Pirates, but we'll see him possibly on the 1st if he features in the team. Orlando Pirates is on the 1st, and if he does feature, we'll probably have more to say about him. But yeah, let me know what you think about the signing.
Eksesheba bona ye Pirates le thabola ka le howe ye Pirates o nketsa happy man ye Pirates o nketsa happy man ka bane ke le ngwana mama rane ke sina wena ma he ka bane ke le ngwana ma bona ntho tse tsala our new striker from Norway ba re ke ena Sebastian Pedersen a ye tla be re betsa di ro ye Pirates le thabola ka le hoena ye Pirates o nketsa happy ye Pirates wena ha o ngehete wena he season o tla tuka hle bana o tla etsala mollo o tla etsala mogodi wona na boe ka ke tshaba thwetla ka bo